Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening the updated Pencil Photo Sketch app and choosing a photo. Make sure it's high resolution and centered. Tap Edit, then select Sketch Mode. This primes the algorithm to detect edges. Once done, adjust the crop and exposure sliders for contrast so lines read cleanly. You should also enable the detailed stroke toggle if available, because that preserves fine hair and fabric lines. If you're working fast, save an interim copy before heavy edits. You now refine the sketch by picking a pencil style and dialing intensity. Lower intensity keeps subtle shading, higher gives bold edges. Use the eraser to clean stray marks and the dodge tool to brighten key highlights, which adds dimension. Once comfortable, add a new layer for texture, then experiment with blend modes like multiply or soft light to merge strokes and shading naturally. Make small, incremental adjustments and preview at 100% to catch artifacting or halo effects before finalizing. You finish by exporting in the format you need: PNG for instant share, PSD if you plan more edits. Once exported, use the app split view to compare original versus sketch and tweak final contrast or stroke density if the image feels flat. If the app lags or the render looks wrong, clear the app cache, restart your device, and re-import the photo. This often fixes corrupted temporary data. If problems persist, reduce resolution slightly and try again. That usually resolves render errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.